guys, I'm going to go through the homework problems for tonight. We are doing long division. We'll talk about synthetic division tomorrow. This is 2x squared plus 10x plus 12 divided by x plus 3 for problem number 5. Remember, your homework is page 290 to 291, 5 to 35 odd. And today I asked you to try to do 5, 7, 9, and 11. All right, so what you do is you look at the first term in this expression, the first term in this expression, and decide what times x would give you 2x squared, and it'd be 2x. Then multiply 2x times x plus 3. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is plus 6x. Then I draw this line and I subtract. So when I subtract, I got to subtract this and I have to subtract this. I like to circle it to know that I'm changing what has been done. I am going to now subtract. So these cancel, and 10x now minus 6x is going to be 4x. And then I bring down the plus 12. Then I say, what do I multiply x by to get 4x? And it's 4. So 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 3 is 12. So now I draw this line and I subtract. So it's going to be subtracting this and subtracting this. And I don't know why all that stuff is popping up. But my remainder is 0. Everything cancels out. So my answer is just 2x plus 4. All right, number 7. All right, on the outside will be 4x plus 5. And then underneath, will be 4x cubed minus 7x squared minus 11x plus 5. What do you multiply 4x by to get 4x cubed? Multiply by x squared. X squared times 4x plus 5. X squared times 4x is 4x cubed. X squared times 5 is plus 5x squared. Draw a line, and then we subtract. When we subtract, this cancels out, and negative 7x squared now minus 5x squared is going to be negative 12x squared. And then bring down the rest. 4x times what is negative 12x squared? It'd be times negative 3x. Negative 3x times 4x is negative 12x squared. Negative 3x times 5 is minus 15x. Draw the line. Now I'm going to subtract. And when I subtract what was already a minus, it makes it plus. Subtracting a minus 12x squared makes it plus 12x squared, so that cancels. And then a minus 11x, now plus 15x is going to be 4x plus 5. So, well, I don't know why that went all the way up there, and I probably can't figure out how to draw it back. 4x plus 5 down here. So 4x plus 5 times what? 4x times what is 4x? So it's 1. 1 times 4x plus 5 is 4x plus 5. And then subtract, and your remainder again is 0 for number 7. So my answer is x squared minus 3x plus 1. Now number 9. Alright, so underneath we have x to the 4th plus 5x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 2 and divided by x plus 2. So what do I multiply to get x to the 4th? It's x to the 3rd. X to the 3rd times x is x to the 4th. X to the 3rd times 2 is 2x to the 3rd. And then I subtract, which cancels there. And now if I have 5x cubed and I'm subtracting 2x cubed, I get 3x cubed. And bring the rest down. X times 3x squared gives me 3x cubed plus 6x squared. I draw the line and then I subtract. And look what happens here. This cancels and this cancels. So then I'm just going to bring down what's left. X times what would give me a negative x? It would be a negative 1. So negative 1 times x plus 2 would be negative x minus 2. And then I subtract and I have a remainder again of 0. And finally, number 11. I've got 7x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. X times 7. 7 times x plus 2 would be 7x plus 14. Then subtract. 7x minus 7x cancels. 3 minus 14 is negative 11. So this is my remainder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write minus 11 over x plus 2. That's how you write your remainder. You write it over your divisor. All right, and we'll go over a little bit more tomorrow, but that should be your problems for tonight.